Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia G42, and now I'm going to show you top 3 bad themes for this device. On the third place in my tab is Niagara Launcher, so just find it and download and then click open. So how this launcher has get to this tab? This launcher is very simple and lightweight. So here you have only favorite apps in the home screen. Of course, we need to set up the other wallpapers, dark wallpapers maybe. And here on the right panel, we have only the alphabetical line to find applications. And if you will try this alphabetical line, this is the game changer, I swear. For example, if you want to find any application, for example, you want to find the Play Store, just tap your finger on the alphabetical line and drag it to P. Play Store is here, and in this way you can find any application. This launcher is not consuming your smartphone performance. It's very light and fast. On the second place in my top is standard Nokia Theme. Here we have now two performance devices. Nokia G42, it's not device with the latest Snapdragon 12 gigabytes of RAM and something about it. No, here we have normal hardware, but not the flagship. And unfortunately, I wanted to set the smart launcher on the second place, but its smart launcher has beautiful animations, beautiful colors and plugins, and unfortunately it looks so frizzy with the smart launcher. So this launcher, normal Nokia standard launcher, is really good. You can use it. Here you have the search, Google search, but using the Google search you can find applications too. For example, I want to find the messages, so to find the messages, just find it in this way. So you can use it to find applications. You have here voice search, photo search in the one widget, and here you can set up the home screen rotation, so you can rotate home screen. So this is the really minimalistic and not a bad launcher. But on the first place in my tab is Microsoft Launcher. So just find it. Microsoft. Find it, click install. Click open. Get started, validate the app, hello, continue, skip all, I go, cool. So here on the left panel we have the glance in the panel when we can set up all our widgets, and we don't need to move between thousands of home screens to find desired screen we need with the desired widget. In the main menu we have alphabetical line, search and hidden apps feature. And in the launcher settings, we can set up gestures. For example, I want to open the calculator using double tap. So I will set it up in this way. And now when I will double tap on my home screen, I will open the calculator. So gestures is game changer feature in this launcher. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.